Hello all. If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video. So let's move into the video.
Hello everyone. So here is the job date from IBM. So previously I uploaded a video from IBM regarding associate software engineer, but this time the job role is regarding network support engineer. So let's have a look at the job description and role and responsibilities, everything from IBM. So let's have a look at responsibilities that they mentioned. So they are, required the skills like answering inbound calls, attempt first call resolution, perform basic troubleshooting, route calls to appropriate department or next level teams. So manage day-to-day incident service.
Your first job can have a lot of impact on you and also can make or break your life. And also, we always tend to choose the first job that we get even if it doesn't satisfy us. And in these scenarios, why do we need to get compromised among all these? So when we are moving into a professional world which have a lot of scope for our career and our future, why to put all this down the drain and choose the first job that you are not satisfied with? So letting go of the job that you are not willing to take up is the best idea that I can suggest. You can get a job you dreamed of with a good salary package and support. So with Relevel, you don't need to apply for different companies and wait for their responses. The companies will come to you at your doorstep and will ask you for working for these companies. Wondering how? Nothing much. So Relevel is India's first hiring test through which you can get a chance to work for topmost startups and big companies of India. And all you need to do is take up the Relevel test, get a score, a good score in Relevel, and wait for the companies to come to you. So I have made a full-length video on this and provided the link in description. If you want to know much about that, check out that link. And one more great thing is this test is completely free and you are paying 0 rupees to Relevel to take up the test, and with that you will get a chance to work for a company which is you are dreaming of. So guys, I cannot say much more than this. So take up the test and get a chance to work for your dream company.
Requirements and provides ticket status to the customers as needed. So perform outbound call campaigns, handle other administrative tasks required by line manager. So based on this, like responsible to manage the service desk email box and assign emails to appropriate department. So based on these requirements, you can see that they are not expecting candidate to be a developer, or I mean the person not to be coding. So everything like if they have a skills to English basic skills and communication skills, so they may have a better chance to get this job. This is not only required of coding. So based on the skills, communication skills also, maximum the candidates can get this job. And let's have a look at like required technical and professional expertise. So the candidates of 0 to 1 year of previous experience in customer support. So they are expecting from customer support side or administrative function prefer. So even the candidates are freshers, like they have mentioned 0 to 1, right? So zero experience candidates like if, 2021 batch can also apply, or 2020 batch can also apply for this job role. So even the freshers can apply for this job, and the strong computer skills and a good level of competence various business application desirables. So that are the required skills that they mentioned here. So coming to the preferred technical skills like professional expertise, like excellent English language skills are must, because the candidate must and should have in a position to communicate with a client or business requirement calls, to handle the emails and everything, and the strong customer focus, ability to work accurately and meet deadlines. So because deadlines are the mandatory, like they will give a tickets and you have to complete by the end of the day, and all those you have to be handled. Attention to detail and accuracy while being available to maintain higher workload, professional and articulate, so flexible and reliable. So these are the preferred technical and professional expertise. So I will provide the job link in the description. You can apply for the job first. This is the landing page that you will get when you click on the link that is provided in the description. So at the last, you can see that apply now will be there. So when you click on this, it will redirect the page of where IBM communication page will be available. So in this page, you can skip this, because this was regarding to total IBM. Like suppose if you provide your data here, resume and first name and last name and all things, So what will happen is, like, if any future job updates from IBM, they will directly communicate with you this mail ID that you provided. So based on the resume, like based your resume, you will provide the skills, right? So based on the skill that you provided, so in future jobs, if you meet their requirements, then directly they will send your communication through this data. Otherwise, if you want to skip and you want to apply for the current job only, then you can click this, like, no thanks, continue to apply. So in this page, you will totally get the details that they provided regarding job role and role name and responsibility that they mentioned. And so, like, requirements, education, like a bachelor's degree or master degree, anyone from these degrees can apply for this. So detail clear, like the job posting will be like across India, so they are not mentioned particular state. So across India, at anywhere at IBM campus, you will get this job. And it is a full time, not like internship kind of. So if you got a job, it will be like a full time, not like a part time one. So it is regarding come under technical service professional category. And after seeing the all the data, you can click on like apply to this job. If you have an account with this, you can directly log in. But as you don't have account, you can create one, like clicking on this, like don't have an account yet, so you can create here. So this is the privacy policy that they mentioned at IBM, like you are going to give your personal data. So how IBM can handle it, and how they restrict to the data not to be go outside. So this is the privacy policy that they mentioned. After seeing this, you can click on agree to move forward to the registration page of your details to give for this job update. So this is the account creation page. Like you have to give your account. You have to create an account here. Like you have to provide email address, a password. You have to create password and a security question. So after giving this, you are going to create an account, and it will redirect to the login page. After login, it will ask you the education details and personal details like first name, last name, and contact phone number, contact email ID. After completing that, you are going to upload resume and your education details. So after everything, you are going to finally upload your details for this job role of network support engineer. And so at the last, after applying this, the IBM recruitment team will connect you by mail, and they will send further communication regarding how the recruitment process will go on for this role, whether they will conduct a test or they will conduct a direct interview. So the IBM recruitment team will connect you by email. So this is job date from IBM. So I will provide the job link in the description. You can go through it. And please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get job updates frequently from our YouTube channel. And at the same time, you will get interview questions and answers tier, how to answer tier questions, the interview experience, and the specific company recruitment process, onboarding process, everything we are providing from YouTube channel. So the complete placement solution that we are going to provide from our YouTube channel called TechMahir. So please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video, guys.